Welcome to Sai Dasu Gurukulam. Today we are discussing 6th class topic magnetism. Magnetism is a property by which some materials attract each other. The ore of iron is called magnetite. Fe3O4 is known as lodestone, was the first known natural magnet. Around 2000 years ago, a shepherd named Magnus, who lived in Greece, took his sheep to nearby hill to gaze. There he found a metal cap of his stick being attracted by some stones. Those stones were being named as magnetite. The powerful magnet in the universe is known as magnetar. Magnetic materials. The materials that are being attracted by magnets are called magnetic materials. Example: iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. Non-magnetic materials. The materials which do not get attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic materials. Types of magnets: bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, rectangular magnet, needle magnet, horseshoe magnet. Every magnet has a magnetic field around itself, like you are seeing in this figure. Every magnet also have two poles, north pole and second one is south pole. Opposite poles always attract and like poles repel always, like you are seeing in this figure. If you suspend a bar magnet freely in air, it comes to rest at north-south direction only, like this. The strength of a magnet is maximum at poles and minimum at the midpoint. You can see more lines at poles. A freely suspended bar magnet aligns itself in the north-south direction. The direction of property magnets is useful in making compass, magnetic compass. Magnetic induction. The process of inducing the magnetism into a substance is called magnetic induction. Like this. A bar magnet is moved along with the length of the iron nail, stroking from the one end to the other end continuously. This is called magnetic induction. On repeating the same process again and again, we can convert an iron nail into a magnet. Lodestone is the first known magnet. Magnetic poles are always exist in pairs. repulsion is the pure test for a magnet. Uses of magnets. We can see in the doors of ATMs, manufacturing of playing toys, manufacturing of compass, in ATM card chips, in the tape of audio cassettes, we can find magnets. The property of magnetism can be removed by hammering the magnet, heating a magnet, improper handling and storage of a magnet.